Okay, good day, everyone. I told you I'm going to tell you or teach you how to raise funds for your trading account, and here we go with this video. Okay, please like this video on YouTube, subscribe if you have not subscribed, turn on notification because I will not just be doing some you know basic forex teachings on YouTube. I will also be doing weekly analysis, weekly projections, pre-market analysis. That is, before the market opens on Monday, would have done the analysis, or on Sunday evening would have done the analysis, then watch it play out throughout the week. So majorly to be on the weekly time frame, sometimes we can draw it down to around 4 hours. Then I would have said I will be doing for daily trades, but I won't promise that yet because I might not have the time, really to do that. Okay, let's go into this. Now, forex trading is an investment like any other kind of trading. Take for instance, if you're going to school, you are going to school to learn something that can be profitable for you in the future. So you invest in going to school. So you gather money for school fees, you buy materials, you study, you do all of those kind of things. So it's a huge investment. And even if you want to start to maybe you want to start to sell clothes, for example, in selling clothes, you have to have a capital. Do you understand? So capital is just basic. It's a basic thing when it comes to uh, uh, making money back. uh So we have to understand that. Now I said potential profitability is directly proportional to the invested amount. Now in this case in forex trading, and like every other kind of trading or investment, if you invest 10,000 US dollar in forex, okay, what you will have as a profit, it's more than the person that invests $100. And risk management is very, very important in forex trading. That's why I always counsel people to risk 1% per trade. Okay, there was a time I used to work with 2% per trade. um you know but to be on the very, very safer side, work with 1% per trade. If you are working with 2% per trade, maybe your leverage is 1 to 10. That might help you. But for leverage 1 to 100 and above, it's just the best thing. That's the smartest thing to do. Risk 1% per trade. Okay, if you are risking 1% per trade, if you put $100, that means that you're going to take like 100 wrong trades to blow the account. You understand that? So it's very, very important. So, and then Forex is a market of probability. Because it's a market of probability, you can only control what you risk. Immediately you put the orders in, that's all. There's nothing you can do again. Immediately you put the orders in. So since that's the only part that you can control, you control it. Every other thing is based on probability. So as a good trader, you focus on proper risk management instead of talking about profits. And then profit is always probability based. It's always probability based. So you must control what you can control. Now, how do you raise funds for the account? There are two ways, okay? But I'm going to pick them one after the other. Now, okay, this is what I was explaining the other time. I'm looking at equity risk profit projection table. Now, if someone has a capital of $100 and is risking 1%, the lot size he will be able to use is 0.01, and the total number of stop loss, total pips of stop loss he can be able to use will be 10 pips. So 20 pips daily profit, 20 pips daily profit, we have $2. Then in a week, we have $10. Now, I have model. Okay, I call it the winning streak model. I will still explain it. I have model that can give you 20 pips every day. Okay, 20 pips stop loss. You are going to use 20 pips stop loss and 20 pips TP. And most of the time, me as a trader, I love to use 20 pips stop loss. So that's why I calculated with this. So I've seen people that are using very less lot size and they are claiming they can do a whole lot and stuff like that. But if you are in the game, you know what it means. You know what it means because some markets might spike and all sort like that. So I actually prefer going with a 20 pips SL. That's my trading. So look at it for $200. Look at it for $400. Look at it for $500. Risking 1%. When you say you risk 1%, that will be the amount in dollars that you're risking. But look at $5,000. If you have a $5,000 account and you are risking 1%, that means you are risking $50 per trade. So your lot size is 0.25, 20 pips SL. Your profit per day is $50. Your profit per week is $250 in a week. This means that the person that invests $100 will take how many weeks to get to um, that $250? That's basically divided by 10. So it's going to take him 25 weeks. 25 weeks. That's getting close to half of the year already. Do you understand? So your capital is always um, important, and I always encourage people to have good capital in the forex market. How do I get to have this big capital? And also, I will explain it to you now. Just watch the video to the end. You will see the whole of explanation there. So what I will advise is that you get a prop firm account. There are prop firms that gives people accounts to trade. So okay, so you trade them. When you trade them, you make profits. You have a profit share. You'll be the one that has the larger percentage of the profit share. It can be 75, it can be 80, and it might be 85 depending uh on the prop firm. Okay, there are various ones. You have FTMO, the funded trader, MFF, Blue FX, my funded FX. At least I've used some of these. Okay, some of them have accounts that you can buy for as low as $50, a $5,000 account. So instead of saying I want to take $100 now, for example, take $100, then fund my account with $100, then I will start to wait for around 25 weeks with discipline and management to be able to get to $250. I can buy an account of $50. So if I buy an account of $50, I would, if I pass the first stage or pass the second stage, take for instance, my funded FX has only one stage. If you pass that one stage, then you go ahead with the live account, then you'll be sharing the profits. Even if you make, let's say you make $100 in 2 weeks, $100 in 2 weeks, they are going to give you $80 and they are going to take 20. And again, if you pass, the fee is refundable. Now, for me, this year now I'll be resuming trading on the 6th of February. Live trading. I've not been trading live this year. I'll be resuming live trading on February 6th, 2023. That's the plan because there are so many factors I factored in, and let me just keep it at that. So what I want to do now is to get the MFF account, my Forex fund account. Okay, I actually love their own because why does their prop firm entice me? I have 12% overall drawdown on my account. That means that if I have an account of $5,000 with them, I will be able to have a drawdown of $600. Then daily drawdown is $250. The profit target for phase one is 8%. That's $400 to be completed in 30 days. The profit target for phase two is 5%. That's $250 to be completed in minimum 60 trading days. And here is the thing: some people, when they see the 30 days, they start to rush. They start to rush to make sure I should be able to meet up with these 30 days and stuff. No, you don't have to. Go at your pace and make sure that you are making profit. Consistency is key in forex market. Go at your pace and make sure you are making profit. If you are making profit there and you didn't hit that target in 30 days, you can ask for an extension up to 2 times or unlimited. If you are in profit, you can ask for 14 days extension the first time. If you didn't still meet up, you can still ask for another 14 days extension. That's another like 30 days for you. So don't get um disturbed. I mean, that's the thing that enticed me to join the my Forex fund. So even if you don't meet up in 30 days, you can meet up in the next days. Do you understand that? If you don't meet up in 30 days, you can meet up in the next 14 days. You can meet up in the next 14 days after. So I like that. And that has already given me like around 60 days opportunity to be able to make $400. So I can follow a model that is consistent and make money with it. Okay? So I'll be going in all for that by February 6th, by the grace of God. I'm gonna start the live trading. That's upper week now. So the whole of next week I'll round up so many things personally and stuff like that. So that upper week now I'll go into that trading proper. And you have minimum of 5 trading days. The $400 I can make it in 2 weeks. If I make $50 per day, okay? If I make $50 per day in 2 weeks, I already have 500. So if I factor in losses and stuff like that, I can make um, pass stage one in 2 weeks, stage two in another 2 weeks. Do you understand? And from March, I begin to, get the live accounts. I've traded with Blue FX before, my funded FX, not really. And I just prefer my Forex fund. So I will advise $50, it should be around with the current exchange rate, maybe 35,000 naira or between 35 and 37,000 naira. Okay, you are going to get that. So that's not too much of an investment for you to find. Many of you pay more than that to get the knowledge in Forex trading. Okay, but 30,000 naira or 35,000 naira is not something that is hard to get. So you can get that. So are you saying the way you teach us to raise money is to go and look for money? Yes, it's an investment. The first thing, I'll show you another one soon. The first thing is for you to, gather the money. Even if it's monthly contribution, go and do, you can get it. Okay? If you can get monthly contribution, maybe 5 of you or 7 of you, you are contributing 5,000 each month or something like that. I'm just using that as an illustration. I know it's not that bad. You can raise your 35,000 naira or 36 or 37 and get the my Forex fund accounts. And I always help my students. I share setups and all of us can grow together. So, but what if I don't have money? I'm zero, 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 and I want to trade and do like that. Okay, what I can tell you is that some prop firms and Forex brokers, they offer trading competitions. So in their trading competition, when you follow the rules and you trade according to what they said, if you are part of the people that are in a position to win the prize, they're going to give you an account or they give you money. So if you read their rules and you succeed, they give you an account. What I can recommend for you currently as at this morning now, 28th of October, what I would recommend for you is the FXCM All Asset Trading Competition. What FSCM does is that FSCM give trading competition every month. Every month. The one for January, I think, will be concluded maybe yesterday. So the one for next month, another round is going to open, I think, on Monday, 30th of January. Okay, that one will trade all through February. All right. So I think the first position is $1,000. The second position is 500. The third position is 300. Then from fourth position to 10th position, it's $50. I think, yeah, it's $50. So if you register with them, even if you didn't come first, if you come third, you get 300. If you come ninth, maybe you are number 9, you're still going to get $50. Do you understand? So you can put in for that. Okay, so it's very simple. You just go to Google and put FXCM trading competition. You are just going to get the information straight up. So, but I will always take the first one I told you ahead because I've done the trading competitions before. Okay. And when you see people scaling up, scaling up, scaling up, you too, you want to scale up. I remember there was one time I was, I think, number four then. So I want to try and beat into the second position because you keep seeing the upgrades and updates, how people will keep, being their figures keep increasing. So that time I was just I needed to do something. And coupled with the fact that I don't have time and all sorts like that, I started to put on some mad, terrible risk. And the market will just go against you 20 pips and the whole account will close. Do you understand? So that's why I don't put that first. Okay. I believe you can get your money, either $50 to be able to put into a trading, and you continue with that. So the last thing I want to tell you is that you build. Okay, that's you are on the best path to financial freedom. There is no skill in this world that can pay you like the forex trading skill. That's the truth. But you build. What do I mean by you build? If you get a $5,000 account and you are trading with $5,000 account and you get funded and you are making money, don't stop there. No, don't stop there. You can be able to say, okay, let me plan. Let me set aside $1,500 from the money I will make from this $1,000. Then you buy another account of 300,000. Then you pass the stage one, you pass the stage two. The $300,000 account, you can dedicate it to maybe, okay, maybe family finances. Do you understand? If you are able to get another $300,000 account, you pass that one stage one and two, you dedicate it to maybe okay, real estate investment and some other things like that. Then you can get another $300,000 account depending on what you want. And you pass stage one, you pass stage two, and you just want to see how much can I even make. So each of those accounts, you know how you trade them. So you can have one and you can just call it maybe your aggressive account or something. You just want to keep trading and just see if you can be able to do some stunts. That one, if you blow it, you blow it. Do you understand? But you can build. That's where I was taught also. You don't have just one account. Let me have one account. Okay, this one account will cater for family expenses. This account will cater for this one. This account will cater for that one. Okay, so you build. Forex trading, don't give up. Okay, and that's why I'll keep updating my teachings, my lesson, my training, and all of those kind of things. The more I discover, the more I'll do new videos and do new videos. That's why there's no end to learning here. And whenever I see, I'll share. Okay, so stay close, and I believe we're going to have a prosperous 2023. I wish you good luck and good trading. Thank you.